Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Gelry. Now, if you're not familiar, Gelry is a monthly jewelry subscription. You get 3 pieces of jewelry, you do get to set a profile, and it costs $21 a month. Now, if you prepay ahead of time, the price of the box does go down. So let's see what she sent me for April. This is how the box comes. Usually they're pink, but today it's a black one. So let's see what it looks like inside. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. Now this is a print of a flower. That's really pretty. Could take that out and frame it for spring. And usually there's paper squiggles, but this time we have these iridescent packing strings. I don't know. And then inside of that, now usually there is a little velvet bag inside, but this time there's like this tiny little shopping bag. Isn't that cute? And then inside are our pieces. Should be one more in there. There it is, 3 pieces. I'm going to get these unwrapped really quick. I'll be right back. The first item that we have is this necklace. It is a shorter necklace, and it has a little pearl. And then on the little disc, it says Explore. And it has a little arrow and some feathers underneath. I think it's very cute. Let's see what that looks like on. It does have an adjustable length chain on it. Here we go. Oops. Okay, let's see if I can do it this time. And here, that is the longest setting. Let me get this one out of the way. There we go. Be nice if the pearl was on top of it. It just is off to the side. But there we go. It has a little piece of protective plastic on it. But it does come with a little protective piece of tape. Let's see. I need assistance with this. I'm going to peel that off. Interesting that there's a piece of tape around it. See, now it's got tape goo all over it. See it? All the tape goo. So I've got to get that off with like nail polish remover or something. But there is our necklace. The next piece is a ring. And it is star and moon. So let's go ahead and put that on. Ooh, the edges of it feel rather sharp. Now, because there's an opening on the front, you can stretch it out to make it larger or smaller for your fingers. But the edges, they feel actually rather sharp and uncomfortable. Oh, it scraped up the skin on my finger. Can you see that right there, that white line? It did scrape my finger a little bit. I don't like that at all. But I like the ring. I think it's very cute, but because it's sharp like that, I wonder if I'll wear it. But there is our ring. And then the next thing is a little pair of stud earrings. These are feathers. I don't know if you can see the detail. There we go. but they're cute. They're small, but they are rather cute. Yeah, can wear them up like that on your ear. But that is what we have. Now, I have to say, it would be nice. We've been getting stud earrings for the past 3 months. It would be nice to get a larger pair of earrings. And I think special care should be taken in the rings we wear. I mean, this has sharp edges all the way around. It feels sharp. So I really don't care for that much. The necklace I'm happy with. I think the necklace is very nice. And I've lost the pearl already. Where did it go? Ah, I found it. We're just going to slip that right back on there. So there we go. I do like the necklace. I think it's cute. It goes with this one, actually, very nicely. Now I'm getting all tangled up. Troubles, troubles, troubles. So that is what I have for you from Gelry today. I am very glad that you came by. I appreciate your support, and I will see you soon.